Looking for the best jointer for your woodworking projects? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best jointers on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're a beginner, DIY enthusiast, or a professional woodworker, there's a perfect option for your workshop. We've compared each jointer based on performance, precision, build quality, features, and overall value to help you choose the right one. You'll find the links to all the products featured in this video in the description box below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and more details. Watch until the end to see our number 1 pick, which offers the best combination of power, accuracy, and reliability. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Powermatic 8-inch Parallelogram Jointer, Helical Cutterhead, 2 HP, 1 PH 230V, PJ 882HH. The Powermatic PJ 882HH takes the number 1 spot for its outstanding precision, durability, and professional-grade performance. Powered by a 2 HP motor and featuring a premium helical cutter head, it delivers smoother cuts, reduced tear out, and quieter operation than traditional straight knife jointers. The parallelogram table design makes adjustments quick and accurate, while maintaining perfect cutter head alignment for consistently flat and square boards. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction provides excellent stability, and the long precision ground tables offer superior support for larger workpieces. Whether you're building furniture, cabinetry, or tackling advanced woodworking projects, the PJ 882HH delivers the power, accuracy, and reliability professionals expect. If you're looking for one of the best 8-inch jointers available in 2026, this Powermatic model is an excellent investment. Number 2. Powermatic 25-inch Planer, Helical Cutterhead, 15 HP, 230/460 V3 PH, Model WP2510. The Powermatic WP2510 earns the number 2 spot thanks to its exceptional power, precision, and industrial-grade construction. Equipped with a powerful 15 HP motor and a premium helical cutter head, this 25-inch planer delivers ultra-smooth finishes with minimal tear-out quieter operation and longer cutter life. It's built to handle demanding production environments, making it an excellent choice for professional woodworking shops and commercial applications. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction provides outstanding stability, while the precision feed system ensures consistent thickness and flawless results across wide boards and large panels. With a generous 25-inch planing capacity, the WP2510 is ideal for furniture makers, cabinet shops, and anyone working with oversized hardwood stock. If you need a high-performance planer that combines durability, accuracy, and production-ready efficiency, the Powermatic WP2510 is one of the best professional planers available in 2026. Number 3. Powermatic 209B HH3 20-inch planer, helical cutterhead, 5 HP 3 PH, 230/460 volts. The Powermatic 209B HH3 takes the number 3 spot for offering an excellent balance of power, precision, and long-term reliability. Featuring a 5 HP 3-phase motor and a premium helical cutterhead. This 20-inch planer produces smooth, accurate finishes with reduced tear out and quieter operation. Its durable construction and precision engineering make it a dependable choice for professional workshops and serious woodworking enthusiasts. Designed for consistent performance, the 209 BHH3 easily handles hardwoods, softwoods, and large stock, while maintaining uniform thickness across every pass. The heavy-duty frame minimizes vibration, improving cutting accuracy and overall machine stability. With its 20-inch planing capacity, efficient feed system, and industrial quality build, this planer is well suited for furniture making, cabinetry, and custom woodworking projects. For woodworkers seeking a reliable high-performance planer without stepping up to a larger industrial machine, the Powermatic 209 BHH3 is an outstanding choice in 2026. Number 4. Jet Black 8-inch Jointer Helical Cutterhead 2 HP 230 V1PH JWJ8HHBLK. The Jet JWJ8HHBLK earns the number 4 spot for its combination of precision, durability, and smooth cutting performance. Powered by a 2 HP motor and equipped with a premium helical cutterhead, this 8-inch jointer delivers clean, accurate cuts with reduced tear out and significantly quieter operation than traditional straight knife models. Its robust construction and precision machined tables make it an excellent choice for both professional woodworkers and dedicated hobbyists. Built with heavy-duty cast iron components, the JWJ8HHBLK provides exceptional stability and long-lasting reliability. The extra-long tables offer excellent support when flattening long boards, while the adjustable fence ensures accurate edge jointing and bevel cuts. Whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or custom woodworking projects, this jointer delivers consistent professional quality results. For anyone looking for a dependable 8-inch helical head jointer in 2026, the Jet JWJ8HHBLK is a solid investment that offers outstanding value and performance. Number 5. Jet Black 20-inch thickness planer for woodworking, helical style cutterhead with 2-speed feed rate, 5 HP, 230 V1PH, JPW208HHBLK. The Jet JPW208HHBLK takes the number 5 spot for delivering professional-grade performance in a compact and efficient package. Powered by a 5 HP motor and equipped with a premium helical-style cutterhead, this 20-inch thickness planer produces exceptionally smooth finishes with reduced tear-out and quieter operation compared to traditional straight knife planers. One of its standout features is the 2-speed feed rate system, 24 FPM 31 FPM, allowing woodworkers to choose between a finer finish or faster material removal depending on the project. The heavy-duty construction provides excellent stability and durability, while the precision feed mechanism ensures consistent thickness across every board. With its 20-inch capacity, this planer is ideal for furniture makers, cabinet shops, and serious woodworking enthusiasts handling larger stock. For anyone seeking a reliable 20-inch helical head planer that combines smooth cutting performance, adjustable feed speeds, and professional-level accuracy, the Jet JPW208HHBLK is an outstanding choice in 2026.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.